Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I am going to be using Modelones Retro Lady Gel Polish. It's the first I've used the Modelones gel polish, and I have to say they go on like a dream. So with this set I'm going to use every colour in the collection, and I've just made up a little design. I hope you like it. If you have, give it a wee thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, why not subscribe right now and hit that little notification bell, and that way you won't miss any more of my videos. So follow on from my last video, you can see that I'm wearing a glove on one hand. Well, someone asked me the other day, how long does it take me to do my own nails? And I said 2 days, and they went, oh, sorry I asked. But my last video was doing this design on my left hand, and because I had sort of an hour or so free, I thought, do you know what, I'll just go ahead and do a little design with the Modelones gel polishes, because I hadn't used them before, so I thought I would just get a try at them. And that's why I'm wearing a glove on the other hand, because rather than do my other hand, I decided to do this design instead. I have to say the coverage of these gel polishes is really good. This is only just one coat and it's covered it completely. I will actually go in now and do a second coat. I think it's just a bit of habit, but I always do 2 coats on my gel polishes, but they're going on like a dream. Even the paler colours sometimes can be a little bit streaky. No, not with these ones. I would definitely buy more of the collections. So I'm using my little Born Pretty ombre brush just to do this ombre. I will do 2 coats as well for the ombre, because I think sometimes it just helps with the blending to do the 2 coats. I definitely think now doing the second coat, do the ombre, definitely does make the difference. because the gel, when it cures, it still has like a tacky layer to it. So I'm using this tacky layer just to lay some of the Glitter Planets Bejeweled micro shards, just to add a little bit of bling to the nails, a little bit of pizzazz, a little bit of glitter that I always like to use. So with my shaky hands, I'm attempting to do these lines. You'll see that I end up having to wipe some of them off, and any that I'm happy with, I kind of cure with my little LED torch in between, so that if I do make a mistake and a little whoopsie, if I wipe it off, I'm not going to wipe off any of the lines that I'm happy with. So after I've applied my top coat, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the rhinestones into the top coat. I normally wouldn't do this if it was on a client, but because it's on just the nail tips, I know there's no chance of them falling off because they're not going to be worn. But normally I would set them into the Acrogel or the glitter bells basically. So I'm just finishing up with another coat of the top coat. That's just to secure the little rhinestones that I've put on, and then we'll see the finished set at the end. Again, I hope you have liked this video. It's a bit different for me because I normally don't do them on nail tips. I normally do them on one of my practice hands or a client or myself, but I just had a little spare hour and I thought I would do the design rather than go ahead and do my other hand. So tomorrow I'm going to have to do my other hand instead of walking around with one hand done and one hand not. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!